creating engaging theme-based lesson plans for early learners. Welcome to Kindiedays, where learning comes alive. Today, we're excited to show you how our lesson plan packages can transform the children's learning experience and bring joy to the little learners in your care. Let's jump right in. At Kindiedays, our lesson plan packages are crafted with creativity and expertise to guide and support educators in play-based learning. We have created 300 lesson plans built around 9 captivating themes, like animals, space, environment, and more. Our plans are organized into an academic calendar, making it a breeze for educators to run playful lessons. Each theme runs for 3 to 6 weeks, featuring new activities every week. Each plan includes 3 levels tailored to different age groups between the ages 2-6, providing a customized learning experience. The activity steps are detailed and easy to follow, ensuring that every teacher can seamlessly integrate these plans into their classroom. Through hands-on activities, children explore central themes and develop essential skills such as linguistic development, mathematical thinking, physical education, community, and creativity. With over 160 learning objectives, our plans ensure a goal-oriented and systematic teaching approach. Kindiedays lesson plans are aligned with the Finnish curriculum and can also be easily adaptable to international curriculums. Kindiedays lesson plans embrace the power of multidisciplinary learning, sparking connections across different areas of learning. A holistic educational experience guaranteed. And here's the best part. The lesson plan package comes with over 500 pages of printables. Plus, the materials used in the activities are simple, often using recycled materials to make learning both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Dive into the world of Kindiedays lesson plans and empower your teaching journey with playful, multidisciplinary, and enriching learning experiences for every child. Happy teaching!